Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and ninZa Pro Traders. As we can see, the market just consolidated all night sideways. Looks like we had an open around 2103.50. We had an overnight high of 2106. And after the release of non-farm payroll at 7:30, you can see we've now had an overnight low of 2091.25. So what are we in store for today? Who knows? Let's take a look here what we could figure out. We closed below our support here, and we drove all the way down through two zones, 2092 key level here. If we come back up here and retest right around the 2093, then close back below this 2191, moving down here, we're likely to hit this next zone down here at the 88 level. Now, at the 88 level, we're going to reach some good support right here, and we're probably going to get a pull back up into the 90 area and look for it to come back and either retest this 88 and then go up and we move into an up scenario, or looks like the way the market's moving this morning, we may come up here, come down to the 28, retest the 90 area, and then come right down to this next level, to this good support area, the 2084 area. Now, by the time we get here this morning, we're going to be, market's going to get a little bit tired, looking for a little bit of rebound, profit taking, whatever you want to call it. So here to be a good place to get your longs in, somewhere around the 2083.25, and look for first targets to the top of the 2088. Look for pullbacks to about the 2086, and then a move all the way back up to this zone at 2091. And anytime we fail all this, we could end up reversing right back down. This is Friday, non-farm payroll. A lot of people are going to be digesting these news, so it's going to be kind of volatile this morning, so be careful. As we move back up in here this morning, if we come back up to the, once we get to the 2098, watch for a pullback down to the 2096 area, and then we should try to come right back up there and retest the 2101 if it's going to, or if the market's going to step in and the bulls are going to take over. Look for a retest of this 2100 level if we can get above it. Now, if we can get above this 21 level, another good entry level or an add-on position to go right on up and consolidate right in this area, but we should push to the overnight highs of 2106.25 if that's what the market wants to do. Now, let's go to the upside. It's not likely this is going to happen today, but this market's just been very volatile and very crazy. If we can test this 2106 and come back and drop no lower than about the 2103 area and push back up and break this 2106.75 area, next targets will be 21010. But once we get there, look for the retest down here at the 2106.50 area and then back up onto the next targets at 2115. Very unlikely scenarios today. I expect a lot of consolidation, a lot of just volatile movement sideways, but I mean volatile movement. Just be cautious with all this news. If you have any questions, contact Frank at Trade Stalkers and have a great day.